Hey everybody, welcome back to iTech Grow. Today we are diving into the awesome world of Amazon Web Services, specifically EC2. If you've ever wondered how websites handle millions of users or how companies store massive amounts of data, EC2 is a big part of the answer. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. It's basically renting virtual computers in Amazon's giant data centers. Think of it like this. Instead of buying a whole server rack for your website, you can just rent exactly what you need from Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, understanding EC2 can be a game changer. It's like having a superpower for building and deploying applications in the cloud. So buckle up, grab your favorite energy drink, and let's explore the power of AWS EC2. Imagine this. You're building the next big app or website. You need computing power, storage, and a bunch of other stuff. But buying all that hardware is expensive and a pain to manage. That's where EC2 comes in. EC2 lets you rent virtual servers called instances. These instances are like software versions of real computers. You get a CPU, RAM, storage, and everything else you need to run your applications. The cool thing about EC2 is its flexibility. You can choose from tons of different instance types, each with its own specs and price. Need a beefy machine for video editing? EC2 has you covered. Just want a small server for your blog? EC2 can do that too. And the best part? You only pay for what you use. No more overspending on hardware you don't need. EC2 makes cloud computing accessible and affordable for everyone. So why is everyone so hyped about EC2? Well, it offers a bunch of awesome benefits that traditional servers just can't match. Traditional servers often come with limitations that can hinder your business growth and flexibility. EC2, on the other hand, breaks these barriers and provides a dynamic, scalable, and cost-effective solution. First up, scalability. Need more power? Just spin up more EC2 instances. Whether you're running a small blog or a large enterprise application, EC2 can scale to meet your needs. This means you can handle unexpected traffic spikes without breaking a sweat. Your website traffic spiking? EC2 can handle it. Imagine running a promotion or launching a new product and suddenly seeing a surge in visitors. With traditional servers, this could lead to slowdowns or crashes. But with EC2, you can automatically scale up your resources to ensure a smooth experience for your users. With EC2, you can easily scale your resources up or down depending on your needs. This elasticity is crucial for businesses that experience seasonal fluctuations or unpredictable workloads. You only use what you need when you need it, making your operations more efficient and cost-effective. Second, flexibility. EC2 gives you complete control over your server environment. You can tailor your infrastructure to meet your specific requirements, whether it's for development, testing, or production. This level of customization ensures that your applications run optimally. You can choose your operating system, install your favorite software, and configure everything exactly how you want it. This means you can run applications that require specific environments without any hassle. Plus, you can easily switch between different configurations as your needs evolve. Third, cost effectiveness. As we mentioned before, you only pay for what you use with EC2. This pay-as-you-go model can significantly reduce your IT expenses. Instead of investing heavily in physical hardware that may become obsolete, you can allocate your budget more efficiently. This can save you a ton of money compared to buying and maintaining your own hardware. Additionally, you can take advantage of various pricing options and discounts offered by AWS, such as reserved instances and spot instances, to further optimize your costs. And don't forget about security. AWS takes security seriously, and they offer a bunch of tools and features to help you keep your data safe. From encryption to compliance certifications, EC2 provides robust security measures to protect your sensitive information. EC2 is a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a startup looking to scale quickly or an established enterprise seeking to optimize your operations, EC2 offers the flexibility and power you need to succeed in today's competitive landscape. It's powerful, flexible, and affordable, making it the perfect platform for modern applications. With EC2, you can innovate faster, reduce costs, and deliver better experiences to your customers. So, why wait? Start leveraging the power of EC2 today and take your business to the next level. Section 4. Picking the right instance. It's all about your needs. When it comes to cloud computing, one size definitely does not fit all. Each application, each workload, and each business has unique requirements that need to be met. Now, let's talk about instance types. This is where the magic happens. AWS offers a plethora of instance types, each tailored to specific use cases and performance needs. This is where things get really interesting. The variety of instance types means you can fine-tune your infrastructure to match your exact requirements, ensuring optimal performance and cost efficiency. EC2 offers a wide variety of instance types optimized for different workloads. Whether you need high CPU, high memory, or specialized hardware, there's an instance type for you. It's like choosing the right tool for the job. Just as a carpenter wouldn't use a hammer to cut wood, you wouldn't use a memory-optimized instance for a compute-heavy task. Need raw computing power for scientific simulations or video rendering? These tasks require significant processing power to handle complex calculations and data processing. Check out the compute-optimized instances. They are designed to deliver high performance for compute-intensive applications. They pack a serious CPU punch. With high clock speeds and multiple cores, they can handle the most demanding computational tasks with ease. Dealing with large databases or memory-intensive applications? These scenarios require substantial memory to ensure smooth and efficient operation. Memory-optimized instances are your best friend. They provide the high memory capacity needed to manage large datasets and memory-hungry applications. They come with loads of RAM to handle those demanding workloads. This ensures that your applications run smoothly without any memory bottlenecks. Running a web server or application that needs to handle lots of user requests? These instances need to balance CPU, memory, and network resources effectively. General-purpose instances are a great all-around choice. They offer a balanced mix of compute, memory, and networking resources, making them versatile for a wide range of applications. And for those who need the absolute best performance, there are GPU instances. These are perfect for tasks that require heavy graphical processing and parallel computations. These bad boys come equipped with powerful graphics cards, perfect for machine learning, gaming, and other graphics-intensive tasks. They can handle the most demanding graphical workloads with ease. Picking the right instance type is crucial for performance and cost optimization. The right choice can make a significant difference in how well your applications perform and how much you spend. Don't worry, AWS provides detailed documentation to help you make the best choice for your specific needs. This documentation includes guidelines, best practices, and case studies to guide you through the selection process. Section 5. Storing your stuff, from hard drives to fancy file systems. All right, we've got our virtual servers up and running. These virtual servers are the backbone of our cloud infrastructure, providing the computational power needed to run applications and services. Now, where do we store all our data? In the cloud, data storage is just as crucial as computing power. Without reliable storage solutions, our applications would be unable to function effectively. EC2 offers several storage options, each with its own strengths and use cases. Understanding these options is key to optimizing performance and cost. First up is Elastic Block Storage, or EBS. EBS provides persistent block storage volumes for use with Amazon EC2 instances. Think of EBS as your virtual hard drives. These volumes are highly available and reliable, making them ideal for a wide range of workloads. You can attach these volumes to your EC2 instances and use them to store your operating system, applications, and data. EBS volumes can be easily scaled up or down, providing flexibility as your storage needs change. Next, we have Elastic File System, or EFS. EFS is a fully managed file storage service that makes it easy to set up and scale file storage in the AWS cloud. EFS is like a shared network drive for your EC2 instances. It allows multiple instances to access the same file system simultaneously, which is perfect for applications that require shared access to data. It's perfect for storing files that need to be accessed by multiple servers simultaneously. This makes EFS ideal for use cases such as content management, web serving, and data analytics. For temporary storage, there's Instance Store. Instance Store provides temporary block-level storage for your EC2 instances. This storage is physically attached to your EC2 instance and is ideal for temporary files and caching. Instance Store offers very high I/O performance, making it suitable for applications that require fast, temporary storage. Just keep in mind that Instance Store data is lost if your instance is terminated. Therefore, it's important to use Instance Store only for data that can be easily recreated or is not critical. And of course, we can't forget about Amazon S3, or Simple Storage Service. S3 is designed to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere on the web. S3 is Amazon's object storage service, perfect for storing large amounts of data like images, videos, and backups. It offers industry-leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. Each storage option has its own pricing model, so be sure to choose the one that best fits your budget and performance requirements. Understanding the cost implications of each storage type can help you make informed decisions and optimize your cloud spending. In summary, AWS provides a variety of storage solutions to meet different needs. Whether you need persistent block storage, shared file storage, temporary high-performance storage, or scalable object storage, AWS has you covered. By selecting the right storage option, you can ensure that your applications run smoothly and efficiently in the cloud. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos on mastering AWS and other cloud technologies.